Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Accessibility to start the setup process. Look for the Assistive Touch option listed under Touch. Toggle Assistive Touch on to enable the floating menu on screen. The floating icon appears and stays above apps until you disable it. Customize single tap, double tap, and long press actions for quick access. Assign common tasks like Home, Notifications, or Siri to these gestures. This saves time and reduces repeated physical motion on your device. Tap Customize Top-Level menu to change icons and functions on the wheel. You will see a grid of current items and a plus button. Use Add to include actions like Screenshot, Control Center, or Home for immediate access. Tap any existing icon to replace it with a new function from the list. Set specific actions for each icon using the Choose New Action menu and confirm your selection. Reorder icons by dragging to mirror your workflow needs quickly. Create custom gestures from the Create New Gesture option in Settings to match unique motions. Record a tap, swipe, or pinch sequence and save it with a clear name. Assign new gestures to assistive actions like pinch or swipe to save effort during repeated tasks. Use Assistive Touch to access Control Center, volume, and device locking quickly without the physical buttons. You can also add Home, App Switcher, and custom shortcuts for one-tap access. Practice gestures and adjust sensitivity for smooth, reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.